UPVC में there are far too many people and I don't know what they're selling. वो तो मुझे मालूम ही नहीं है.
मैं वही जानना चाहूँगा आपको क्या नहीं पता है.
छोटे घर में बैठ के जो बनाने वाले बैठे हुए हैं.
नहीं तो मैं आपको यहाँ पे क्लैरिफाई करना चाहूँगा.
जो हैं वो 3-4 ही मिल अभी समय में.
मैं आपको एक मिनट. So let me clarify.
मैं ऐड कर दूँ 40 यहाँ पे UPVC प्रोफाइल मैन्युफैक्चरर्स हैं इंडिया में. जिनके पास 150 लाइंस हैं.
अच्छा 40 का तो घर मेरे को भी
ज़्यादा है.
40 से भी ज़्यादा है.
एक्सट्रूजन.
और इंडियन मार्केट हैज नाउ ग्रोन टू 220,000 टन्स ऑफ profile manufactured last financial year. 220,000 tons multiplied by God knows what to gets to about 30 million windows, give or take a few. All put together.
I like to add one very sensitive point here. Somewhere when we talk about manufacturing or even the building, if you look at the European norms or anybody else constructing a building, there is a norms and nobody flouts that norms.
Correct.
चाहे वो structure हो, चाहे window हो, चाहे कोई भी चीज़ हो. But somehow in India, anybody is free to construct a building.
Yeah. You don't have to be a
you can become a builder just like that, without having NBC is there. But how are you going to implement this to every building? We have seen stories in Gurgaon where some of the buildings inside that floor has gone away. There are many ample number of stories we can talk about. But I think somewhere the government has to enforce that anybody cannot become a builder. There has to be a mechanism of certification. They have to be scrutinized and they have to have a license to build a building. Once you have that and you have all these norms adopted, I think we'll have much better homes which can be built.
I want to add a good news here. UDMA, the UPVC Window and Door Association, I think we took this initiative to get standards and manufacturers get tested by a third party, which is mostly a TUV or a test standard.
Yeah.
And I'm happy to tell you that I think 5 companies, we started this program we worked on it for 5 years pre-COVID. Yeah. And if you're an architect, builder, developer, the association has taken the responsibility. Please ask for a UDMA certified window, which shall cover a fair bit of the manufacturing practices, so that as a developer and a builder, even if you take a wrong decision, and if you have a certified fabricator, lesser chances of disaster. What did you say? Disaster management. Selective disaster. You cannot. So that is something good that the association is done. The Federation of Safety Glass.
They are also, yes.
They are also doing.
They are also. It's a cluster of all the processes. So there are approximately, as per my latest information, there are 620 processors in India on records as of now.
So just to add the second point, so one was the government intervention in the giving licenses for building. The second important thing is manufacturing. Now, if you look at any industry, if there is a manufacturing, there is a standard, there is a process, there is a method.
Like automotive,
any industry we talk about.
Electrical appliances, air conditioners.
Windows also today is manufactured in a premises. It is a factory. There has to be a mechanism of licensing them also, that you have to follow certain norms. Like there is a law for factory, you have to undergo certain rules, factory laws or ESI, PF, all those. Similarly, anybody manufacturing anything, forget about Windows. Windows is one of this category where people have to follow the norms of, for example, we have now BIS code of Windows also.
Correct.
That needs to be followed and it has to be scrutinized.
It has to be enforced basically.
So that is not happening. No. So it is mandated as per the BIS. I think it is mandated that everybody manufacturing it has to follow that norm. But
the
how
consumer,
to
there has to be awareness on that subject. And just to add point here, YPG, is now the government has already started the licensing part of just builders have to take the license first and then they can go ahead and start the building. That's there. But the issue is the enforcement of that.
It's not only the license. Okay, now you're a builder, but enforcement of that, getting it scrutinized, validated.
Compliance is important.
Absolutely.
I see a bit of a problem in our own understanding here. For example, builder, there is no license for a builder.
सर लैंड खरीदो तो उसके गवर्नमेंट से लाइसेंस लेना है ना बिल्डिंग बनाने
का. आपको रेरा
नहीं होता है,
कुछ नहीं करना, कोई लाइसेंस नहीं. नंबर 2, BIS is not mandatory for Windows.
हाँ, correct नहीं है.
It is not mandated as of now, but it is released.
Confusion, yeah. So there is a BIS standard, but it's not mandatory. BIS will only work on, but the नेशनल बिल्डिंग कोड,
Yes.
एनबीसी का जो ग्लास रिलेटेड पार्ट है दैट इज मैंडेटरी।
That is mandatory.
बट ग्लास स्टैंडअलोन तो कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा
Glass standalone कुछ
जब
नहीं
तक
कर
उसका
पाएगा।
फ्रेम ठीक नहीं होगा तो
And
ग्लास
BIS on glass is mandatory. sir.
Yes, that is
so any
mandatory.
processed glass
नहीं,
which
glass
is being
का mandatory
it is
नहीं है।
mandatory. sir.
मैंडेटेड है,
It is mandated.
दैट इज पार्ट ऑफ द नेशनल, वही मैं कह रहा हूँ, यहाँ कंफ्यूजन
बट नहीं,
Glass-
NBC का
अगेन एनफोर्समेंट की प्रॉब्लम है ना सर,
So,
क्योंकि
एक
मैंडेटरी है।
नहीं, एक मिनट, let's clear
At
that.
least mandatory.
So window is not
What
mandated.
is by law mandated?
Yes.
Anything which is life
जी.
and liberty is usually get mandated. For example, cement is part of mandated, tile mandated नहीं है.
नहीं है, करेक्ट।
Like that.
So processed
just-
glass
yeah.
is mandatory.
तो
sir.
विंडो मैंडेटेड
BIS
नहीं है,
certificate.
तो
Window
बिल्डिंग
mandatory
में
नहीं
आप
है।
विंडो ना लगाओ चलेगा,
नहीं, विंडो में कौन सा ग्लास लगा रहे हो वो मैंडेटेड होगा
हाँ.
बाय लॉ,
Yes.
बट आप
प्रोफाइल आपने जो लगानी है आपको
बट विंडो स्ट्रक्चरल रिजिडिटी नहीं है, चलेगा।
वो चलेगा।
नहीं, but just
बट
as-
उसमें लेट मी कम बैक टू, देयर इज अनदर एंगल टू दैट, ठीक है, व्हिच इज द लायबिलिटी इशू। कल अगर वो विंडो निकल के गिर जाती है, somebody will be liable. You go to the court, somebody will become liable. Because अगर मैं आपको एक दवा बेच रहा हूँ, वो दवा सही होनी चाहिए। When I see windows, I'm just trying to, बहुत बातें हो गई हैं। There are 3 types of issues that we face. Number 1 is life and liberty issues. ठीक है, विंडो गिर गई, मर गया कोई, चोट लग गई, आदमी गिर गया वहाँ से, विंडो के थ्रू गिर गया।
Life and
all of
liberty.
those. Number 2 is problems that you will live with all your life, and you will lose bit by bit, वो जो 1000 cuts वाला, which is let's say energy.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है,
बिजली का
Energy
बिल।
is something that you, आपका बिजली का बिल बढ़ता रहेगा, आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा, you are getting cooked like a fraud, and you have no issues. Third, there is a third type of an issue which is relatively less known but also is an inconvenience. For example, window खड़खड़ा रही है हवा में, ठीक है, या अपना
आवाज
गुड़गांव
बहुत आ
में-
रही है।
गुड़गांव में ही वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव अपार्टमेंट, सारे विंडो बंद कर दीजिए, आवाज आती है।
Specifically.
These are
जी, glass
issues
की
which
specification.
and third भी लिंक है उससे. So there are these 3 major issues that you will continue to face all your life. ठीक है, अब हमको ये समझना है कि पहला वाला तो कंपलसरी हो जाएगा, दूसरा तीसरा in most countries have become compulsory. Energy is become compulsory.
Because at the
We
end
have
of
a
national
ECBC.
issue.
We have an energy conservation building code. There have been many conversations कि ECBC को compulsory किया जाए, and we've now forgotten about ECBC.
Yeah.
अब हम वो एक समय था जब बहुत पुश कर रहे थे,
Yes.
बट अब तो मुझे
We were
नए
talking
आर्किटेक्ट्स को
with,
मालूम ही नहीं कि ECBC है कि नहीं है
We
ज़्यादा।
are talking with BE also to incentivize on this mechanism.
तो दैट
of
ऑल्सो
energy saving.
शुड हैव बिकम कंपलसरी।
आई थिंक ऑल्सो
थर्ड एस्पेक्ट तो भैया अब आपकी डे टू डे
Inconvenience तो है ही।
इनकन्वीनियंस तो है ही है।
तो हमें ये एट अ ग्रास रूट लेवल से लेके टॉप, सो इट्स लाइक अ pyramid, right? The architect, developer, builder at the top level. Then comes the manufacturers who have to follow essentially what the architects and developers want. And then the final end consumer who knows maybe less than 1% of what's actually getting when he's buying this high-rise apartment for 10 crores to 100
बट
crores.
इस पिरामिड
Abhijit,
को अगर
the point
उल्टा
is-
कर दें एक सेकंड के लिए,
Awareness को, right,
Awareness
that is exactly what
पूछना शुरू कर देगा तो ये पिरामिड बिल्कुल उल्टा हो
Hold
जाएगा।
on. And so
Awareness
that
level.
awareness regarding what I was talking, that in high-rise building about glass, I was talking to that point. So when we talk about glass being used in high-rise buildings, so we have to educate people that what are the benefits you are going to get out of the glass, and what is your requirement, and what type of processed glass does suffice to that, sir. You want heat management, you can use an insulated glass. You have a safety concern, like we spoke about the railings, which are in high-rise building,
Right,
which are
you
the
can
major
use
concern right now.
laminated.
So there we need to use the laminated glasses. So we have to educate, and we have to put this awareness programs on them.
So-
and then these will be
So
successful.
the main frame of WFM taking up this initiative as an industry to do what we are doing today is exactly what we are talking about. Awareness, right thing, right product, right application. Depend on the experts who give you right information and follow. So as a consumer also take more interest in flooring देख ली, tile देख ली,
More than
faucet देख
aesthetics,
लिया.
more than
Yes,
aesthetics.
yes.
More than aesthetics, so everything is not beauty. Amount of work he has done with the Bureau of Indian Standards for writing
Yes.
codes, and I know from 20 years on the job, it's a tough job even to debate with the government.
Sir,
कि क्या
just to
जरूरत है?
add a point here, not related to this, with the government perspective from your experience, what you have done. So I approached the government of India personally first, and then like with the body. So the specification of doors and windows were predominantly up till 3-4 years before just favoring one set of company or one
Yeah.
set of
Yes.
type of products is concerned. So we approached the government and we told them, sir, the just specifying कि अच्छा इतने इंच की प्रोफाइल लगा दो does not solve it.
Sorry, I'll disagree with that. We started with giving the basics to the government that we don't specify any sizes.
मैं भी वही बात कर रहा
It has to be performance driven.
Yes.
It has to pass the wind load. It has to pass the weathering. It has to pass the.
हूँ बट वाईपी जी वो था नहीं ना टेस्ट सर्टिफिकेट
So the government bodies do not understand this.
वो तो जब टेस्ट सर्टिफिकेट
उनको तो चाहिए कि-
अब नाउ द व्हाट हैव गॉट चेंजेस वी टोल्ड देम दैट सर प्लीज सेक्शंस तो हर बंदा डेवलप कर लेगा उसके ऊपर गो ऑन परफॉर्मेंस बेस की कितनी हाइट है क्या विंड लोड कैलकुलेशन है पहले तो उसके अंदर कोई मैंडेटरी नहीं है सम ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट्स व्हाट वी डिड विद द गवर्नमेंट सो वी एक्चुअली गेव देम आईआईटीज एंड एनआईटीज स्ट्रक्चरल अप्रूवल्स टू फॉर जस्ट डोर्स एंड विंडोज मतलब कई बार तो हमने आईआईटी दिल्ली को अप्रोच किया पहले तो उन्होंने शुरू में मना कर दिया कि हम विंडोज टेस्ट विंडोज स्ट्रक्चरल ओके नहीं करके देंगे हम सो देन वी अप्रोच एनआईटी ग्रेजुअली द आईआईटी केम इनटू द पिक्चर एंड देन दे सेड अच्छा ठीक हम करके दे पहले तो वो तैयार ही नहीं थे करने के लिए कि इसके स्ट्रक्चर स्टेबिलिटी हम ओके करके देंगे
Past 1.5 years, we started this initiative of going as a fraternity, all of us
The glass
together,
fraternity.
glass fraternity, and we started like CCPS was also a part of it. So we are going and educating people about the parameters that need to be considered when you are specifying a product. So we have started this initiative. So it's going to be a long journey. It's not going to because that sometimes some projects we realized they were specified as per one person's requirement, maybe it was not required to that extent, and some projects it was not specified because of any application or any person, it was general cut copy paste. So this is a long journey. We all have started these initiatives, but yes, the end consumer, the government bodies especially, I have been to enough government bodies in past 2 years, so I can realize and I can vouch for this thing. It is very difficult to explain them.
Absolutely.
Now somewhere the situation has started coming up. At least they have asked, like tomorrow I'm going to Pondicherry for a government body for a project to discuss about what are the right specifications, not the make of the glass.
Actually सब कुछ इतना
parameters.
isolated है ना शीतल every government body works in isolation from
Yes.
each other.
So
each area है
to-
सर आप नहीं समझोगे जी चेन्नई में क्या होता है आप नहीं समझोगे जी कश्मीर में क्या होता है
Similar to
Obviously
builders,
अलग ही
sir.
होता है
They are working, so everybody is working on their own.
Isolation.
हर किसी का अपना एक thought process है. किसी को पैसे बचाने हैं, किसी को जो समझ आ रहा है उसको वो समझ आ रहा है. So this is where these programs need to be run. We have started doing that. We need to do more on barfooting now, sir.